Hi and welcome back to another exciting video. My name is Martha Makwata and I'm just coming back from the day's hustle. I'm about to get into my kitchen. First of all, it is Friday evening and as usual, you know that on Friday we prepare for Sabbath. So I left instructions when I was leaving. I hope something has been prepared. So let's see what has been prepared. Then I'm torn between preparing buns and cookies for breakfast. But let us see what we will be preparing because I'm making the introduction. A decision has to be reached. So I'm making an introduction of ingredients next. So if you're seeing my face for the very first time, it means you've not subscribed. If you love such content, kindly, if you love, then subscribe. If you don't love, but I doubt whether you will not love it. If it reaches you, it means you love it. So remember to subscribe, to like, to share, comment, and leave positive comments kindly. I'm not meant for negativity. I can't even stand it. Kindly don't leave a negative comment. There are people who come and they are telling me, oh, you're talking too much. Just tell us what you're preparing. How now? Surely. How? How do I just come and tell you, okay, I'm preparing cake, then I start? That's not me. If you don't like how I talk, what I say, then it means this channel is not for you. Thank you. So remember to subscribe, to like, to comment, to share, to do all those nice things. And most of all, leave a positive comment. So let's get into our kitchen. A decision had to be made on what is to be prepared. Forgive whatever is there. That is my apron and my sweater. Forgive that. So we move. I made a decision and I'm preparing cookies. And so let me take us through the ingredients that will go into our cookies. And so to the ingredients that are going into our cookies, we have 2.5 cups of flour. I used this as our cup. A half glass of sugar. This is our glass that measured. A half glass of brown sugar. I have oats. We have 2 eggs, a cup of margarine, and we'll be putting in bicarbonate of soda and some vanilla essence for flavor. This is the pan that is supposed to bake our cookies. So let's get right into the mixing. This is our mixing bowl right here. I've placed you where you can see clearly what is going on. So into our bowl, I'm adding our margarine. And our margarine is softened. I bought it and it was quite hot. So it just got softened. I guess we've added everything in. We'll add in our brown and white sugar. Then we mix. I guess our mixture is now okay. That's how it looks. So let's add in our eggs, our 2 eggs. The first one is in. The second one is in. And at the same time, I'll also add in our vanilla. So I'm adding in 2 teaspoons to make a tablespoon of vanilla. That is in. Let us mix again. This is how everything looks after the mixing. To my flour, I'm adding bicarbonate of soda. Let me bring the flour to our view just here. So a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda into our flour. So this amount will pass as a teaspoon. Then I'll mix together with our oats. And one thing I've not brought here is salt. Let me bring. So for our salt, we don't need much. We just need a scoop like this. I'm using my teaspoon back to just scoop. So that amount of salt. So let me mix so that we add this to this. So nowadays I don't see need for again writing my ingredients on the description. In any case, this is a recipe I'm repeating. I shared it on this channel about 2 years ago. So it is a recipe that is not new in this channel. So you can choose to either follow the video step by step or search for the previous video to check. So I guess our mixture is now good to go. We can now mix it in. So I'll simply draw this here and I mix in our flour and oats. So that is in. Last, when I did this recipe, I prepared to add in milk, but I did not need to add anything. So let's see whether today I'll need to drop in some teaspoons. So let's see. Again, let me come back after I'm through with the mixing. So as you can see, let me just stop it. As you can see, I'll not need to add in anything. It's quite soft and it's just the right consistency. In fact, maybe I'll need some flour to be able to make it well. So let me now put them on the pan and then we bake. So come with me. So I'm warming my oven at 180, and so this will be baked at 180 for about 15 minutes, 13 to 15 minutes. So I'm simply scooping this. I've not added even the flour. I'm using it the way it is. So I'll be scooping using this teaspoon, and then I just make balls like this, and then I arrange. So stay tuned to see what next. So this is how our cookies are looking like. So to make a pattern, I'll use a fork spoon and I'll simply press on it like this, and that will create a pattern on our cookies. So our oven is ready. It is already switched off. So let me go through it very fast. Then I put them in the oven, then come back after they are ready so that we see how they will have turned out. So this is how our cookies have turned out. So I'll give them a few minutes to cool off. I've just pulled them from the oven. So a few minutes for them to cool off so that they collect and become crunchy. Then we remove them from this and put them on a tray. Yeah. So that's the way they look. On a rack, not a tray, a rack. Some few remained, so I've put them here and I'm just about to pop them in the oven to finish the cooking. But I will not keep you, so let me finalize and show you how they look. So this is how our cookies look. I hope you're able to see the effort. Our flour with the fork. Yeah, so that's the way our cookies look, and they taste amazing. Very, very nice. Kindly try this recipe out. Remember to subscribe. Thank you for watching until this point. Bye until next time.